Let's learn English and Indonesian sentences in 3 minutes. I will try to get it. I will try to get it. Saya akan berusaha mendapatkannya. I will try to get it. Good luck with your job. Good luck with your job. Semoga berhasil dengan pekerjaanmu. Good luck with your job. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Jangan kecewakan saya. Don't let me down. Let's work it out. Let's work it out. Mari kita kerjakan sebaik mungkin. Let's work it out. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. Jangan membuat saya marah. Don't make me angry. All the best. All the best. Semoga mendapat yang terbaik. All the best. I need to top up my phone. I need to top up my phone. Saya mau ngisi pulsa. I need to top up my phone. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Ini nggak masuk akal. It doesn't make sense. I have no credits for my phone. I have no credits for my phone. Saya nggak punya pulsa. I have no credits for my phone. I wasn't born yesterday. I wasn't born yesterday. Saya bukan anak kemarin sore. I wasn't born yesterday. Time is up. Time is up. Waktunya sudah habis. Time is up. Time is over. Time is over. Waktunya sudah lewat. Time is over. At least I've tried it. At least I've tried it. Paling tidak, saya sudah mencoba. At least I've tried it. Are you trying to be funny? Are you trying to be funny? Kamu ngelawak. Are you trying to be funny? I'm running out of internet data. I'm running out of internet data. Paketanku habis. I'm running out of internet data. Thank you for watching.